Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add music for your background musics or background sounds on a photo for Instagram story. So the thing that you have to do, open your Instagram and log in into your Instagram account, and after that, whenever you are in the home section, slide your screen into the right side so that you will have an access into the story part. And whenever you are in the story section, go choose the or pick the photo that you want to add. For example, here let's do a test. I already picked the picture, and to add the music for your big sounds is just go take a look on this upper side here. You can directly click this part, or there will be another way, which is go click this and go click add musics, and you just need to start choosing the musics that you want to have. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click choose the style of the lyrics or the music gonna pop up on your content by drag this point. If you want to have the lyrics like pop up on the screen, just go click this part, and after that you just need to go click done button right here. The way how to add music on your photo for back sounds. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.